Hello, back at Stanley Park for this week's update. There it is, the Anfield Road stand expansion. We've done a live stream on Sunday gone, and they'd started putting, I believe it's called cladding. One of my subscribers said it's called cladding. If you just see it at the top, you'll see it a lot better in the video. We've got quite close with the drone this week, as you can see, and they're starting to put the more glasswork in. We will be live again this Sunday for any questions or anything like that, and show you exactly what it's looking like from the ground all around the site. So back to today. We've just been up in the air, even though it's quite windy, and we've got some drone footage to bring you. We've got some drone footage to show you, which will be coming up momentarily. They are working on both corners, so you'll see that in the drone video as well, okay? If you do have any comments, any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section below. You can subscribe to our channel for any future content, like and share the video as well. So I'm making this brief because I'm absolutely freezing. It's quite windy, so take care. Here's the video. We'll see you very soon. Just before we get up, by the way, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. You can help support the channel for future content just like this. Take care. See you soon.